Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a little review, something that I have not done, or I guess a comparison, something that I have not done for this type of product on my channel yet. We're going to be comparing the Juste Clou ring by Cartier and the Love ring. Clearly I have both of these rings and I wear them pretty much every single day. So I feel like since it's been, a couple of years, it's been literally a couple of years. It's been years with an S. I think I can give you guys some insight on whether or not I like them, whether or not I think they're worth it, which one I like better than the other one, and just my 2 cents. If you're interested in that, So if you guys are interested in hearing my thoughts on the Juste Clou ring versus the Love ring by Cartier, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna wanna be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like fashion, you like handbags, you like jewelry, you like Cartier, and I think this is definitely where you're gonna wanna be, so definitely subscribe if you're not already, and definitely follow me on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Literally every single day. Actually, you'll probably hear my alarm go off throughout this video at some point because I have to post. Today I haven't posted yet, so. Every day there's a reel, there's a story, there's an outfit of the day, there's something going on over there, so follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So we're just gonna start off with the ring that I got first, which is the Love ring. I do have 2 Love rings here, and both of these are the regular size. I have a white gold and a rose gold. Sometimes the rose gold does look really yellow gold, and that's kind of just what happens with Cartier jewelry. If it's in rose gold, after time it does kind of start like losing its pink or its copper, whatever you want to call it, and it starts turning a little bit more of a yellow gold. I did get the white gold version first. This was a gift from my husband a very long time ago. Actually, let me take it off so I can show you. I got this ring in a size 54, which used to fit this finger perfectly, and this was, like I said, the first ring that I got, but I have since obviously lost a lot of weight, so it doesn't fit really at all, but that's okay because I usually just wear it as the bottom ring, and then I wear this wedding band because I don't wear a wedding band obviously on this finger, and then I wear this one, which is my actual correct size. This one is in a size 49. So the Love ring does currently come in all 3 gold variations: yellow gold, rose gold, and white gold. Yellow gold and rose gold are both $18.30, and white gold, and that is US dollars, by the way, and white gold is $19.50. The good thing about the Love ring is that it comes in so many variations. So like, let's say that this is not the ring that you like. Like if you like the thinner version, they have a thinner version that is, has a much better price point. If you're somebody who likes a lot of diamonds, they have the ring that has 6 diamonds. They have like the completely pavéed out version. So it does come in a lot of variations, and it obviously comes in all like the standard ring sizes. I find that this ring is pretty much always available if you go into like a Cartier boutique. I'm pretty sure Elver just like walked into a Cartier boutique and was like, hey, this is what I want, and they were like, okay. Now it does come in this box. Please don't judge my box, okay? It's been sitting, I know this is like so bad to admit, but it's been sitting at the bottom of one of my drawers for for years, literally for years. I've never put this ring back into this box, so it looks disgusting. But this is the box that both of the rings actually come in, so it's a pretty standard Cartier box. You just push the button, it opens up, and this is where the ring would sit. If you look at my rings, I am gonna try my best to get this like to translate on camera, but it's there it is. Told you. There are tons of scratches. This is, like I said, the oldest one that I got, so this is the one that I want to show you first. There are so many scratches on this ring, like so many scratches, like a lot. There's a lot of scratches. I also feel like the white gold is not shiny pretty much at all, but I've also never brought it in, literally never brought it into Cartier to get it clean. So that's something worth, keeping in mind, I guess. Cartier is always having price increases. So at the end of the day, is it worth it? And from an investment standpoint, I don't think that it's really an investment piece per se, but I do think if you're looking and you're like set on getting a Cartier Love ring or whatever, a Cartier piece in general, I think you should get it sooner rather than later if possible, because the prices are just going to keep going up. They're never going to go down. So really it's in your like best interest to just like hop on that as soon as you can, It's to be expected that this ring would show so much wear because, like I said, it is 18 karat gold. Gold is a soft metal, so it scratches, especially when you have something that is like a completely flat surface like this ring. It's literally just flat with the little engravings of the screwdriver. I knew that going into it. It's something that a lot of people who own this ring or even own the Love bracelet talk about often. It's not like it's a secret. So I wasn't shocked when I saw wear, but like that wear shows fast. It shows fast if you're actually gonna wear your piece. And obviously, I wouldn't suggest that you buy it if you're not planning on wearing your piece. You could literally just have your hands in gloves like for your entire life, and I promise you, you take your hand out of those gloves, there's gonna be scratches on it. That's just what it is. That's the name of the game. Everyone knows it. So it really didn't bother me, and it really still doesn't bother me, because it's not like if you see my hand from across the room, you're like, damn, look at all those scratches. Like, we need to be right here for you to see the scratches. And if we're right here, then we have another problem besides my Cartier ring having scratches. The story behind the Love collection is that it's pretty much supposed to be gifted to you by somebody who loves you, and especially with the Love bracelet, which I don't have and I will never have and I will never do a video on because I will never have. But especially with the Love bracelet, you're supposed to put that on, or somebody's supposed to put that on for you, and then like that's just supposed to stay on, and that's just supposed to symbolize like your eternal love and all that fun stuff. It's special to me for that reason. But besides that, like taking that factor out of it, I love this ring. I do love it. Obviously, that's why I bought a second one of it. And I love the way that it looks stacked. Even though the Love bracelet is not for me. And if you guys didn't see my unpopular opinions and overpriced luxury items, I'll link those videos up here for you. But I think that the ring is just timeless. It's gorgeous. And no matter what your style is, I think you can pull off the Love ring. So those are my thoughts on the Love ring. Those were more thoughts than I thought that I had. But yeah, let's move on to the Juste. Before we actually start talking about it, let me just apologize now for my terrible pronunciation of Juste. Okay, I have the thin version. It does come in a thicker version. It comes in versions with diamonds, with pave, like it comes in a lot of different variations. I have the white gold in, let me show you it. I have the white gold, and again, it is the thinner version. This ring currently retails for $1,320 in white gold. In a yellow or rose gold, it is $1,240. Again, that's US dollars. So this is significantly cheaper than the Love ring. However, this is the thin version. The thick version of the Juste Clou ring without diamonds is $2,500 in yellow or rose gold. The Juste Clou range in general does tend to run a little bit steeper than the Love ring, which I think makes a lot of sense, because this ring and, you know, the bracelets and everything is, in my opinion, a little bit more of an intricate, a little bit more of like a special design than the Love ring. I have mine in the size 50, and I wear it pretty much every time on my index finger, because I guess the nail head, like even though this is a size 50, you can see, hopefully you can see that the nail head is kind of, you know, obstructing some of that space. So I don't know if you'll be able to see when I wear this ring, which I've been wearing it for a couple of hours already, you can see there's kind of like a little, stop focusing on my face. You can see there's kind of like a little mark where the nail head is. Just to give you like kind of an example, this 50 fits pretty well. I think maybe a 51 would have been the perfect fit for my ring, for my index finger. But it fits pretty well on my index finger. And now I'm gonna show you what the 49 looks like on my index finger, because it's only one size different. So you would think it'd be pretty close. It is not. It sure is not. It does not go any further than this. And then this is the 54, yeah, 54. And it fits almost perfectly. It's just like a touch loose. So you can see the sizing is definitely different. As for scratches, I can pretty confidently say that this ring scratches a hell of a lot less easy or harder. Less easy? Less often? It doesn't scratch as much as the Love ring. That's what I'm trying to say. So if you see my ring, there are definitely some scratches, and especially on this flat nail head piece, I think you can pretty much see there are definitely some scratches on there. But other than that, really there's not much wear on it at all. And I think that's kind of just due to the fact that this is a flat surface. So if you bang this against anything, you're gonna get scratches on it. Whereas this is a little bit more rounded. It's really not flat at all, except for that nail head. Oh my God, take a shot every time I see nail head in this video. It's really not flat at all. So because it has a little bit more of a rounded shape, it's not so prone to showing any wear. Not that the scratches aren't there, they're just not as visible, I think, as they are on the Love ring. So with all of that being said, do I love my Juste Clou ring? I do. I obviously still wear it all the time. I don't think I would get another one. I don't think I would get another Love ring either. I think I'm pretty much good with both of these collections. I do really want a Clash ring. You guys know this already. A Clash ring or a Coco Crush ring. That's another one that I've been eyeing for this finger. But, you know, we'll see. I do still love this ring. I love it, and I would recommend it to anybody who's looking for a little bit more of an edgy piece, even though I feel like there are lots of people who have Juste and Clou rings, Juste and Clou bracelets, Juste and Clou anything. I still think that it's worth getting it if it's something that really calls out to you. If I had to pick one, which one would I get first? It's gonna be the one that I got first. It's gonna be the love ring. I like the love ring more. I just find it more comfortable. I find it more easy. It goes with everything. It goes with everyone's style. I just think it's more timeless. And again, I really like the story behind it. So if I had to pick one to get first, or which one I prefer, it would be the love ring. I do, again, still love my Juste and Clou. I think just because the fact that the size is a little bit off, and like you can see, I've taken it on and off a couple of times, and now my finger is like super red. So I think that definitely plays a role in it. But let me know in the comments, which ring do you guys prefer? Which one do you want? Which one is on your wish list? Which one are you looking to buy? Definitely let me know in the comments. I'm really interested in hearing about this. Obviously, I wouldn't make this video if I wasn't interested in it. And let me know which ring you think I should get for this finger. Coco Crush. I probably would get the mini size because I don't know, for this finger, I don't want like something really huge. So either the small clash ring, which is even more expensive than the love ring, or the mini Coco Crush ring. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. Oh my gosh, I did not post. You see, I turned off my alarm and then I didn't post, but that's okay. That's okay. We still got time, guys. I'm gonna do it right now. Here I go. It's been shared. But yeah, that's all I have to say for today's video. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Porque tú no te sabes mover. All right, anyways.